Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the SSC 2015 paper, and particularly in this video we'll be focusing our attention on the general intelligence section in general. Okay, so what we'll be doing is basically we'll take a look at each and every questions pertaining to from 19 to 21, and then we'll take a look at the way the question is asked and what are the ideal approach to solving the same. Okay, so that whenever we come across this kind of question further down the line, we are able to easily solve the same. So with all that said and done, let's take a look, or just focus on the question at hand. So arrange the following as per the reverse order in the dictionary. Okay, number 19. So since it's an order of the dictionary, we need to do this in reverse order. That is, the word which will come in last should be placed first. Okay, so before we go ahead and solve this, let us first write down all the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so now let's take a look at the questions. If we look at all the options, you can see MULTI is common in all of this. MULTI, MULTI, MULTI. Okay, so that means as far as the rankings are concerned, this MULTI will have no significance. This, since this is common, so we can eliminate this entire thing. Okay, MULTI from each and every option. Let me just eliminate the same. Now all I am concerned with is the other letters that are remaining. So MULTI is gone from each and every one. Now since MULTI is gone, let us now try and place the for every letter. So for 1, the next letter will be T. So this T will be for 1. Okay. For 2 it will be N. So N will be for 2. For 3 it will be P. So for 3 this is P. Okay, now for 4 it is again N. So for N again it is 4, and for 5 it is L. For 5 it is L. Okay, so now one thing is for sure, that by looking at the numbers itself, 1 will come in last and 2 will come in first in the dictionary, and we reverse the same down. Basically 1 will be my first letter in the reverse order, and what to say, 5, oh, sorry, this is 5. 5 will be my last letter in the reverse order. So by looking at the option, this option gets cut off and this option gets cut off. Okay, we are only left with A and D. Okay, so now we need to basically arrange the middle part. So now let's see, 2, 3 and 4 remains. Okay, so one thing has to be said, that number 3 will come in will in the dictionary, the number 3 will be placed after 2 and 3, 2 and 4, right? Because P comes after N, so therefore 3 in the reverse order, 3 will come before 2 and 4. So that is, 3 will be the second last letter, or in this case the second word in the reverse order, 3. So now 1 3, we have 1 3 again, 1 3 again. So yes, so far we cannot make out the same. So now let me do one thing. I'm going to strike out number 5, I'm going to strike out number 1, and I'm going to strike out number 4. Okay, and subsequently N is gone and another N is gone. Okay, now if we take a look at the next letter, for 2 it's A, for 2 it's A, and for 4 it is O. So here this is for O. So now if we take a look at this, letter 2 in the dictionary should come before word 2 should come before word 4. So that would simply mean that word 2 if the order in reverse, then the word 2 should come after word 4. So that means it should be 4 and 2. So this should be our order. Okay. So if you go through the option 1 4 3 1 3 4 2 5, 1 3 4 2 5 is option D is our answer. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Insert the alphabetical arithmetic operation in the following. So 4-3-48. Okay, so one thing's to be sure, if we just add plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, it can never be 48, so it is gone. Plus minus again, plus 4 plus 3 and minus 4 will just yield 3, again gone. 4 into the 16, again gone. So multiplication is the only option that can satisfy the particular question. Okay, because 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 48. Okay, now let's go to option number 41 or 21. Okay, question 21. Which of the following will complete the pattern in the question figure? Okay, so this is the question in front of us, and which pattern will complete? So let's study something. Okay, here the black part is here and the white part is here. This has been rotated by 90 degree. So black part comes here, right here. Again, this will be further rotated by 90 degree. So this one will be the white part and this particular part will be the black part. This will be the again the black part. Okay, so the option similar to this will be option A. So option A is our answer. So I hope all these three questions are clear to you. So these are fairly interesting questions pertaining to one pertaining to dictionary, other pertaining to figures, and the one basic arithmetic operation. So if you have any doubt, go through the video multiple times just to get you a clear idea on how we came up with the solution. Okay. So having said that, in case you want to attain the fully solved solution or the fully solved paper of the same, and you have any kind of queries pertaining to how you can go about with the exam preparation, you have any kind of doubt with the preparation, any kind of doubt with any subject, feel free to connect with us. To do the same, you can actually go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like our website link, our email address, and our numbers on which you can call, text, or WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us, and any doubt you have in regarding to your exam preparation or any other subject wise doubt, we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so with that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. We'll be continuing off our discussion on the similar set of questions in the subsequent video, where we'll try and cover a lot more questions pertaining to the different sections of the paper, and so that things are clearer to you. Having said that, we've come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.